Hey everybody, today I like to show you a very cool feature of YouTube. I'm doing this video in English because so probably more people will understand what I'm trying to tell them. So natively I do my English in my language, which is German, and I also do quite a few videos in English, but these are the languages I feel comfortable in. But like if you're from Russia, if you're from Spain or whatever, you have the chance to watch my videos and hopefully also understand them because I have enabled subtitles in my videos. So if you see this little card symbol, you just press it, and right now you see the subtitles are in German, which probably, of course, will not help you anything. So, but if you go on this little wheel here, and you hit on the subtitle menu, you go down here. This is automatic translation. So if you hit this, you can choose whatever language you like. And hopefully the translation is good enough so that you will understand in combination with the pictures what I'm trying to tell you. So at least give it a try. If you see a video. Also, not everybody has enabled this in their videos, so I enable it. So in my videos, you have a pretty good chance to find your language, and hopefully you then understand what I'm trying to explain to you. But you have to enable the subtitles here. Another thing is you can also slow the video down here, but that's a thing I do not use. I rather hit the space bar to stop the video so that I can read what is written here and try to understand, because of course the translation is sometimes, well, very, yeah, it's not on the point, but if you read it like 2 times or 3 times, you might get the point then. And then you hit the space bar again and you can keep on watching the video. So try this. I think this is an awesome feature. I hope the translations are understandable for everybody. I do not know. Just leave it in the comments. And I hope I could help you with this little video. Give me a thumbs up if you like it. Otherwise, I see you next time. Bye-bye.